Alright, here we are at the north diversion on the lower Weber River diversion. This is the diversion that has two head gates on it, one on the north, one on the south. This is the one with the twin vertical flat plate screens. I've just cleaned them, and I just wanted to show how this is working. This is about a 24-foot long concrete bay, and it looks like the water surface drops maybe about 2 inches in this 24 feet. So you can see right here is kind of a hydraulic jump. It probably loses an inch right here. And this is also the screen at which the initial kind of debris starts to clog, and then it kind of builds on that once that head differential gets created. So on the left side here is the bypass. You can see that goes back into this bay here, and back into the bypass channel, or the fishway right there. And this is their diversion head gate. And then on this side, the west side here, the water will flow underneath the bypass in two, I believe it's 12-inch pipes into here. So the big issue is really the clogging, which starts on this panel right here. This works actually fairly well most of the time, and then we'll get a high flow from an unknown reason we don't know yet, and that will cause the whole structure to flood, and usually releases a bunch of filamentous algae. So a couple of thoughts we had was putting in a splashboard here to equalize the water surface, flatten the water surface. I guess the other idea is also to put if we can fit it in, a weir along the length of the structure. So there's definitely some room for a solar panel right here. We get quite a bit of light for most of the day, and then in here there's definitely room to enclose this and make a spot for our electrical. So right now, looking at the fishway, we have a couple of boards in place to limit the amount of flow that's going through here, primarily to reduce the amount of algae entrainment. So the water goes through the fishway and then down the bypass channel and back around and into the river. Just past the big rock in the middle of the channel, you can see the water is roiling up. That's from the bypass, from the fish screen.